Budgie, the 1970s drama starring Adam Faith as petty crook Ron Budgie Bird,
How are you, my silly old sausage, eh?
who constantly finds himself embroiled in petty scams and get-rich-quick schemes, none of which end in success, and all of which seem to get Budgie in trouble with the police and with his dodgy underworld boss.
Your partner in crime was in the bookshop front room with his dirty great fingers and thumbs in my cash register, Budgie.
Oh, no, he never.
The series starts Tuesday the 16th of June at 9 p.m.
For sale, unusual and distinctive van for sale with a lovely and unusual distinctive plastic chickens perched on the roof. How are we going to unload that?
What do you want if you don't want money? What do you want if you don't want love? Say what you want and I'll give it to darling. Wish you wanted my love, baby. What do you want if you don't want heaven? What do you want if you don't want gold? Say what you want and I'll give it to darling. Wish you wanted my love, baby. Well, I'm offering you this heart of mine, but all you do is play it cool. What do you want, oh boy, you're making a fool of me. One of these days when you need my kiss, one of these days when you want me to, don't turn around 'cause I'll be missing. Then you'll want my love, baby. Well, I'm offering you this diamond ring, but all you do is turn me down. What do you want, oh boy, you're going to town on me. One of these days when you need my kissing, one of these days when you want me to, don't turn around 'cause I'll be missing. Then you'll want my love, baby. Well, then you'll want my love, baby.